Before starting the new topic, that is present continuous tense positive interrogative sentences, I would like to explain about the alternate meaning for this category, that is present continuous tense negative sentences. Before starting this topic, I mentioned two possibilities, I mean two types of meanings. One is, for example, నేను తినడం లేదు. The other one, నేను తినట్లేదు. So I'll just give some brief and I will give you a few examples. We will not take much time like this. This one I think we took almost 3 to 4 days like that to complete the session. But since it is for same category, I don't need to explain for each verb. So I'll just give some brief, then we will start the new topic. So here I'm going to create a new column to teach the meaning, how we form in that category. For example, తినట్లేదు, వెళ్ళట్లేదు, తినడం లేదు, తినట్లేదు, వెళ్ళడం లేదు, వెళ్ళట్లేదు. So we use these two types of sentences for this category. So let me create a column. So this is called infinitive form. Okay, example, to eat. Okay, so usually we say to eat, to go in English. So like that, if we want to say in Telugu, we can just add ta sound at the end to the base form of the verb. For example, tinu becomes tinuta in infinitive form. Go means vellu, so in infinitive form it becomes velluta. Very simple, just add ta sound at the end to make it as an infinitive verb in Telugu. Okay, so let me write few meanings here so you will understand easily. So it is తరగతులుగా విభజించు becomes తరగతులుగా విభజించుట. Okay, ముగించు becomes ముగించుట. Conclude means ముగించు. To conclude means ముగించుట. So for all these verbs, I will just write the rule here. Add ta at the end of the base verb to make it as an infinitive form. Okay, just add ta. Tinuta, velluta, vachuta, like that. Add a ta at the end of the base verb to make it as an infinitive form. Okay, so this is the rule. I think I don't need to explain all the verbs because very simple. Just add ta sound for all these verbs to make it as an infinitive form. Okay, but let me pick very commonly used verbs, then I will tell you. For example, penchuta. To increase means penchu. To increase means penchuta. Share means bhagam panchu. So to share means bhagam panchuta. Stay means undu. To stay means unduta. Drink means tragu. To drink means traguta. Naduchu becomes naduchuta. Terachu becomes terachuta. Kekapettu becomes kekapettuta. Vandu becomes vanduta. Oppukonu becomes oppukonuta. Aapu becomes aaputa. Believe means nammu. To believe means nammuta. Contest means poti cheyu. To contest means poti cheyuta. Change means marchu. To change means marchuta. So like this we make the infinitive form in Telugu. We just add ta sound at the end. Okay, so now the reason for explaining the meaning of infinitive form is we use this form also in negative sentences of present continuous tense. For example, నేను తినడం లేదు. So the other meaning, నేను తినట్లేదు. Let me make some sentences using this structure so you will understand clearly. Okay, this is sadhinchu. Okay, sadhinchu. Achieve means sadhinchu. So in gerund form it is sadhinchadam. In infinitive form it is sadhinchuta. Okay, so here I will write the meaning. Sadhinchuta becomes sadhinchatledu. Okay, so sadhinchuta becomes sadhinchatledu. So carefully observe how we mixed the sentence, mixed the words, mixed the two words. Sadhinchuta plus ledu became sadhinchatledu. So we removed this u sound. Okay, okay, so we removed this u sound, then we made like a. Sadhinchatledu. Okay, then ledu, sadhinchatledu. Okay, so similarly for all these other sentences you can use the same structure. నువ్వు సాధించట్లేదు, మీరు సాధించట్లేదు. As I mentioned before, you don't need to change the personal the ending as per the personal pronoun. It is common for any subject. అతడు సాధించట్లేదు, ఆమె సాధించట్లేదు, వారు సాధించట్లేదు, మేము సాధించట్లేదు. Okay, let me give you another example. I will choose only very commonly used verbs, so we will not waste much time for this.
Sorry, Andy.
Cheppandi.
Is that sadhinchatledu? Isn't that negative?
Yeah, negative form in present continuous tense. Same like sadhinchadam ledu. This is one meaning. The second meaning is sadhinchatledu. They are interchangeable. You can use any meaning, sadhinchadam ledu or sadhinchatledu. In short form, in while speaking we use sadhinchatledu kind of meaning also. Tinadam ledu, atadu tinadam ledu, or atadu tinatledu, both are same. Both are negative sentences in present continuous tense. So let me explain here separately so you will not get confused. Okay, so I am not eating. Okay, this is I am not eating. This is negative sentence in present continuous tense. Okay, so the meaning, first meaning is నేను తినడం లేదు. నేను తినడం లేదు. This is one meaning. The second meaning is నేను తినట్లేదు. So this తినట్లేదు came from తినుట plus లేదు. So some time ago I explained the meaning of infinitive form. For example, తినుట, వెళ్ళుట, వచ్చుట, okay, నవ్వుట, So this type of words are called infinitive. We just add ta sound to the base form. Just add ta to make it as infinitive. So this infinitive form we use in same sentence, like I'm not eating, present continuous tense negative form also. Okay, is it clear or little complicated? Okay,
So
let me.
you take the alternate forms you're taking from the athlete, like Chinathlete. That's how it was derived
Yeah,
from the
tinuta.
infinite
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
infinitive form.
Yes,
It
exactly.
was derived from the infinitive form,
Yes, yes,
the
exactly.
alternate form.
Yeah,
The
tinuta.
Tinadam, yeah. So
Tinadam is
the
gerund
alternate
form.
form was okay.
Okay, let me write here. Tinuta is
Infinitive
infinitive.
form.
Okay, infinitive. Then we add ledu. Tinuta ledu becomes tinatledu. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Now the other one, tinadam ledu. This is gerund. Until yesterday we learned this gerund form. That is very simple. Tinadam, velladam, ravadam. Okay, now we learn the infinitive form. So from infinitive form also we make similar sentences, that is negative sentences in present continuous tense. Let me give you another example. I am not writing. Okay, this is నేను రాయడం లేదు. Okay, so write is వ్రాయు. This is verb v1. I will write v1. V1 means that is verb in base form. Okay, వ్రాయు, to write. Okay, this is వ్రాయుట, infinitive form. Okay, next writing. This is వ్రాయడం. This is gerund form. Okay, so now we can write this I am not writing in two ways. First one is using the gerund. Second one is using the infinitive form. So నేను వ్రాయడం లేదు, you can say నేను వ్రాయడం లేదు or నేను వ్రాయట్లేదు. Both are correct. నేను వ్రాయట్లేదు. Okay, so this vrayat came from the infinitive form vrayuta, but we remove this, we replace this u sound. You see this one here, we change this u to a. Vrayat. Okay, vrayat plus ledu. Okay, tinat plus ledu. వెల్లుట, వెల్లట్ ప్లస్ లేదు, వెళ్ళట్లేదు. ఓకే, వెళ్ళట్లేదు. ఓకే, వచ్చుట. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్, సో రావడం, రావట్లేదు. రీడ్, చదవట్లేదు. ఓకే, చదవట్లేదు. చదువుట becomes చదవట్లేదు. So like this we make sentences in alternative way. Okay, వెళ్ళుట became వెళ్ళట్లేదు, చదువుట becomes చదవట్లేదు. Let me give you another example. త్రాగుట. Okay, త్రాగుట becomes త్రాగట్లేదు. Drink. Okay, so you can say అతడు త్రాగడం లేదు or అతడు త్రాగట్లేదు. త్రాగడం లేదు or త్రాగట్లేదు, both are correct. In this infinitive we just mix లేదు with the infinitive. That's very simple, but with practice you will understand clearly. So in first phase what you have to do, you have to make all the infinitive. While making infinitive you put that form into sentence format during practice. Okay, so let me give some more example while reading so it will be more clear. But did you understand? Can you confirm?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, fine. Okay, so consult means సంప్రదించు. I am not consulting means నేను సంప్రదించడం లేదు. That is first meaning. Second meaning, నేను సంప్రదించట్లేదు. Okay, convince ఒప్పించు. I am not convincing means నేను ఒప్పించడం లేదు. First meaning. Second meaning, నేను ఒప్పించడం లేదు ఫస్ట్, ఒప్పించట్లేదు is second meaning. Okay, earn means సంపాదించు. Subject you can add while practicing because it is common for any subject. వారు సంపాదించట్లేదు. Okay, explain. Okay, వివరించు becomes వివరించట్లేదు. Okay, వివరించట్లేదు. This is second meaning. Today I am going to explain only the second meaning. First meaning I already explained in previous session, so we will focus only on the second meaning. వివరించట్లేదు, వెళ్ళట్లేదు, like that. You can use any of the meaning. Okay, it is not necessary to use only రావడం లేదు, but any of the meaning, whatever you feel comfortable, you can use that one. Both are correct. Okay, పెంచు. I will write here in sentence form. పెంచు. Okay, in infinitive it is పెంచుట. Okay, so పెంచుట becomes పెంచట్లేదు. Very simple. పెంచట్లేదు. నేను సౌండ్ పెంచట్లేదు. అతడు సౌండ్ పెంచట్లేదు. ఆమె సౌండ్ పెంచట్లేదు. That means she is not increasing sound. Okay, ప్రార్థించు. ప్రార్థించు becomes ప్రార్థించుట in infinitive form. In sentence form it becomes ప్రార్థించట్లేదు. We are remove u sound, then we are adding అట్లేదు. Okay, ప్రార్థించుట becomes ప్రార్థించట్లేదు. Okay, so this one, sleep means nidrinchuta or nidrapovuta. The second meaning is commonly used, so I will write here nidra povuta. Nidrapovu is base form, nidrapovuta is infinitive form. Okay, this one we say like nidrapovatledu. Let me copy here so it is easy to make sentence. Nidrapovuta becomes nidrapo, only here change u to a, povat. Okay, then mix ledu here, that's all. నిద్రపోవట్లేదు, he is not sleeping. అతడు నిద్రపోవట్లేదు. థింక్ ఆలోచించు. సో ఆలోచించు becomes ఆలోచించుట in infinitive form. Okay, in sentence form, in negative present continuous tense form, it becomes ఆలోచించట్. This become a. ఆలోచించట్. Then we remove a to mix the word లేదు. ఆలోచించట్లేదు. Okay, ఆలోచించట్లేదు. Okay, ఉపయోగించు. This is ఉపయోగించు. So ఉపయోగించు becomes ఉపయోగించుట in infinitive form. In sentence form, she is not using. ఆమె ఉపయోగించట్. Okay, okay, let me copy this one. ఉపయోగించట్, then లేదు. It becomes ఉపయోగించట్లేదు. Okay, this is undu. So undu, this is base form. In infinitive form, it becomes unduta. Unduta becomes in sentence undatledu. So I will copy this one, then I will change here. This is unduta becomes undat, then remove a sound to add the ledu sound. Undatledu. He is not staying in Hyderabad. అతడు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉండట్లేదు. ఓకే, వెతుకు. వెతుకు ఈజ్ బేస్ ఫార్మ్. ఇన్ ఇన్ఫినిటివ్ ఫార్మ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెతుకుట. కెన్ యూ ట్రై ఇన్ సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మ్? కెన్ సంబడి ట్రై? వెతుకుట becomes
వెతుకుటలేదు.
Yes, but you need. Okay, వెతుకుటలేదు.
వెతుకట్లేదు.
Yes, correct.
వెతుకట్లేదు.
Yes. Yes, correct. వెతకట్లేదు. Yeah. So what you have to do is, you first time you say separately వెతుకుట. This is infinitive form. Then లేదు. వెతుకుట లేదు. Slowly what you have to do, you need to mix వెతుకుట plus లేదు. వెతుకుట లేదు, వెతకట్లేదు, వెతకట్లేదు, like that you need to mix. So here వెతకట్లేదు. Here వెతకట్, then లేదు. వెతకట్లేదు. Okay, let me choose this one. Ekku, climb, ekku. This is verb in base form. In infinitive form, it is ekkuta. Okay, so okay, let me explain as I mentioned before. Ekkuta plus ledu. So in sentence form, what we do? Ekkatledu. We mix these two. Ekkatledu. Like this you practice, it will be easy for you. Okay, ekkuta plus ledu becomes ekkatledu. So ekkatledu, put it at the end, and before that you add the subject. ఆమె ఎక్కట్లేదు, అతడు ఎక్కట్లేదు. He is not climbing the mountain. అతడు మౌంటైన్ ఎక్కట్లేదు. Okay, so let's try this one. Lagu. This is verb in base form. In infinitive form, it becomes laguta. In sentence form, laguta plus ledu. After adding, we remove this a sound, then we remove. Also, we change this one to a. If you use you also, it's okay, because while speaking we say lagatledu only. We don't say lagutledu, we say lagatledu. So better to make a. Lagatledu. Okay, let me use this one. Adugu. This is verb in base form. In infinitive form, it becomes aduguta. So in sentence, aduguta plus ledu. So becomes adagatledu. Yes.
Adagatledu.
Yes, correct. అడగట్లేదు. Okay, అడగట్లేదు.
అడగట్లేదు.
But here you need to change this would also are to make it like a rhyming sound. అడుగట్లేదు becomes అడగట్లేదు. అడగట్లేదు.
అడగట్లేదు.
Turn means తిరుగు. So తిరుగు is verb in base form. In infinitive form it is తిరుగుట. So in a sentence తిరుగుట plus లేదు. This is the structure format, but we need to mix this one. తిరుగుట లేదు becomes తిరగట్లేదు. తిరగట్లేదు. Okay. The bus is not turning. Bus తిరగట్లేదు. Okay, win. I will take this one. Win. Win means గెలుచు. In infinitive form గెలుచుట. But earlier I explained some rules. So same rule you need to follow. So గెలుచుట becomes గెలవట్లేదు. గెలవట్లేదు. Don't say గెలచట్లేదు because earlier we learned some rules. గెలవడం లేదు. So same style you need to apply here. గెలవట్లేదు. Okay, నడుచు. నడుచు in infinitive form నడుచుట. నడుచుట plus లేదు. As per the previous rule it becomes నడవట్లేదు. Earlier I explained some rules. Here similar rule you need to apply. నడవట్లేదు. నడవడం లేదు. నడవట్లేదు. నడవడం లేదు is from gerund. నడవట్లేదు from infinitive form.
Praveen garu,
చెప్పండి.
would you in spoken Telugu say nadavaledu?
That is past tense.
Would it be like silent?
That నడవలేదు is past tense. నడవట్లేదు or నడవడం లేదు
Okay.
in present continuous tense negative form. Actually we are running out of time. We will continue the session tomorrow. We almost finished the time. రేపు కలుద్దాం.
నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం అండి.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
నమస్కారం.